There is no doubt children can be the comfort of one's eyes and a source of happiness. But this only occurs when children are raised correctly by their parents. When the parents raise their children in the correct way, their goodness will extend to their parents, society, and all of humanity. However, if this important duty is not fulfilled correctly, then a person's children will adopt bad character, and therefore become a curse for their parents and the rest of society. This important duty has been addressed throughout the Holy Quran and the Hadiths of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him. For example, chapter 66 at Tarim, verse 6.
O you who have believed, protect yourselves and your families from a fire.
In addition, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, once advised in a hadith found in Sunan Abu Dawood, number 2928, that each person is like a shepherd who will be held responsible for their flock. Parents are shepherds of their children, and they will be questioned on the Day of Judgment about this important duty. Therefore, this short book will discuss some aspects of raising a pious child, so that they succeed in this world and the next. Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shaykhpod.com.